So first we got our blender from here. Chop green onion, otherwise called scallion. Some chopped bell pepper, cilantro, some chopped onion here. We have a stack of thyme, garlic. We have one jalapeno, one scotch bonnet. We have one lemon, pimento. I'm just gonna do a handful. I'm gonna pour some vinegar, the olive oil in it as well. This is optional. Now we are going to blend everything together. This is what the finished product looks like. Now we have the green seasoning. This is gonna be the benchmark for all my spices in whatever meat. You can use it on whatever meat you want to use it on. You also can store it in the fridge.